This 2010 Holiday Rambler Arista 34 Solomon Islands dollars is a Class A RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse. This 2010 Holiday Rambler Arista 34 Solomon Islands dollars is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.